Hey everyone, BenQ has officially introduced the Mobiuz EX271U, a 27-inch gaming monitor, to the Chinese market at a price of approximately $631. Available for purchase on JD.com, this monitor is packed with features designed for both gamers and content creators, offering a blend of performance, versatility, and immersive visual and audio experiences. The BenQ EX271U boasts a 27-inch 4K IPS display, which delivers sharp and detailed visuals for seamless gaming experiences.
With a refresh rate of 165 Hz and a rapid 1 millisecond response time, the monitor ensures smooth and responsive gameplay, making it ideal for competitive gaming. The 10-bit color depth, combined with a 1200:1 contrast ratio and a peak brightness of 400 nits, allows for vibrant images and excellent visibility, even in brightly lit environments. For those concerned with color precision, the EX271U covers 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamut,
providing vibrant and accurate colors suited for gaming, video editing, and content production. It also supports Display HDR 400, which enhances dynamic range, making dark scenes more detailed and highlights more brilliant. The inclusion of BenQ's Pixel image engine further optimizes color transitions and detail, particularly in low-light gaming environments. Long gaming sessions can strain the eyes, but BenQ has addressed this by integrating low blue light technology and obtaining TÜV Rheinland certification for eye safety. This ensures that users can game for extended periods with minimal eye fatigue. Additionally, the EX271U comes with an ergonomic stand that allows users to adjust the monitor's height, tilt, and swivel, ensuring comfortable viewing from different angles. One standout feature of the EX271U is its enhanced audio capabilities. With support for EARC via the HDMI 2.1 interface, monitor can transmit high-quality audio signals to EARC-compatible sound systems. This allows gamers to enjoy home theater-like sound quality, particularly when connected to consoles such as the PlayStation 5. Furthermore, the inclusion of a 3.5mm audio port with ESSDIC decoder helps minimize signal interference, resulting in clearer and more detailed sound. The monitor also supports up to 7.1 channel lossless audio output, making it a complete audio solution for gamers who use external sound systems, speakers, high-fidelity headphones. In terms of connectivity, EX271U comes equipped with a wide array of ports: 3 USB-C ports, 1 DP 1.4 port, and 3 HDMI 2.1 ports, providing ample options for connecting multiple devices. One of USB-C ports offers 65-watt power output, allowing users to charge compatible devices directly through monitor, which is a convenient feature for those using laptops or mobile devices. Additionally, the monitor includes 3 USB-A 3.2 ports for connecting peripherals such as keyboards, mice, or external storage. The BenQ Mobiuz EX271U is a well-rounded gaming monitor that excels in delivering stunning 4K visuals, smooth gaming performance, and an immersive audio experience. Its array of connectivity options, ergonomic design, and eye care features make it suitable for both hardcore gamers and content creators. Priced at $631, it represents a solid investment for those seeking a premium gaming monitor that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new monitor? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.